good. Did you say something, Clam?
I think he's got the hiccups, Raj.
The hiccups! Are they fatal?
No, we just have to make him stop. Try holding your breath.
Laszlo, why is that Scout Blue?
We're trying to get rid of his hiccups, sir.
The only way to get rid of the hiccups is to scare them out.
Scare them out, huh? Well, we've got an errand to run, Clam. We'll see you back at the cabin. Oh! That didn't work. We'll have to come up with something scarier. Now, all we gotta do is pour this honey on you. Now, you just sit there, Clam, and that should get rid of your hiccups.
What's so scary about this?
Just watch.
Laszlo, it's a bear!
I know, pretty scary, huh?
What's he doing?
He's... licking him? Wow, what a view! Hey, Clam, why don't you get a closer look? Yep, it sure is majestic.
Laszlo, what are you doing?
What's scarier than falling off a cliff? How did it work, Clam?
Good!
Yay, we did it, Raj!
Oh, no.
Hey, Raj, why don't you come here and check out the view?
No!
Raj, wait! I have to scare you!